Assalamu alaikum student, how are you? Now look at the board everyone. Which picture is this? What is this? Tell me. It is lamp. What is this? It is lamp. What is the beginning sound of lamp? किसको पता है beginning sound of lamp? Beginning sound of lamp is l. Lamp. How to write lamp? L. How to write L? Raise your two finger like this. Come down and down. Turn a little like this. Come down and down. Turn a little. Lamp. Okay, student. Now look at the board. Which sound is this? L. I will tell you how to write L in lines. Start from first line to third line. L कितनी lines पे लिखते हैं? 3 lines पे. शुरू की 3 lines पे. Count the lines. 1 2 3. बस 3 line तक लिखेंगे, 4 line तक नहीं जाएंगे. Okay, start from first line. First line से लिखेंगे. Come down and down. Turn a little. 3 line को touch करते हुए हम turn a little कर लेंगे. Now again. Come down and down. Turn a little. Which sound is this? Okay student, open page number 15 in your reader. Look and say. Look and say. Which letter is this? L. Which letter is this? L. And sound is L. Mama L. Baby L. Lemon. Lamp. Lamp. Lion. Lotus. Leaf. लॉयन इज द किंग ऑफ. लॉयन किस चीज़ का किंग होता है? जंगल का या डिजर्ट का? किसका किंग होता है? जंगल. ओके, नाउ प्रैक्टिस राइटिंग एल और इल.